All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to do an at-home tape lift. It's actually really easy. First step is getting the right tape. Make sure you get tape that's nice and clear. Look at that, you can see right through it. Do not get the foggy stuff, all right? And then you wanna pull the amount that's probably about the size of a microscope slide, maybe a little bit bigger. See that, okay? Now, I'm gonna stick it to my finger, my index finger right here, and then I'm gonna put the other side, bend it backwards, and put it on my thumb. Now I have this loopty shape with a sticky side facing out. See that? Now I can grab something like, let's say this thing right here. I can put it up against it, put enough pressure, just a light amount of pressure like that, and I can pull it right up, and there you have your tape lift. Now, here's the important part about the tape lift. Whenever you give it to the lab, you do not want to fold it over like this and give it to them. I know that's what you might want to do because you don't want it to get contaminated. Very hard to get this back out, right? The lab has to work really hard to get look at this. Don't do this. What would be much better is to take your tape and stick it on a Ziploc bag like so. And what I like to do is fold one side of it like this. That way, when it's on the bag, they actually have a little tab that they could just pull it right off of the bag. Nice, right? Now, if it's hard to see, what I also like to do is take a Sharpie and go like this and then label it. You know, we'll say west wall, I don't know. And now that is a great way for it to get to the lab. They could peel it off, put it on a microscope, and take a look at it. Keep in mind, most labs are only gonna look at around a square centimeter or a square inch. So it'll be somewhere around that amount. Square centimeter, square inch. You don't have to get a lot, and you don't wanna overload it either, right? You don't wanna just put a bunch of dust bunnies on it. Under a microscope, a little bit goes a long way.